Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still suspect that this is a 1, 2, 3, and I still think there's a very good likelihood that gold is going to keep going up. I do not think that this move down that we're currently seeing is anything beyond a correction to the uptrend. I actually think this is a 1, 2, 3. So I think that what we're in right now is a subdivision 1, 2, 3 of wave three. So taking it down to the weekly is where we can take this down a little bit and see a little more clarity. I think this first push up is a 1. I think this ABC is a 2. I think this move up is a wave 3. Now I believe that this is like a 1 of 3 and a 2 of 3, and eventually this is going to go up and make a wave 3 of wave 3. This should be all a subdivision of wave 3, which is why I'm calling it a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I'm still looking at this as 1, 2, 3 waves down, which I'm calling a W. 1, 2, 3 waves up, which I call an X. I think it's going to be 1, 2, 3 waves down for wave Y. I expect it to go down to one of these two Fib levels, maybe the 88.5 is even more likely, before it actually does end up continuing back up. I think this is a 1, a 2, and eventually it's going to go up and make a big wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely am still looking for sorts, at least until my roadmap higher time frames tell me otherwise. I do see this little 3, 4, 5 shape at the bottom here, so I do think there is a pretty good chance that it is going to go up. But for me personally, as more of like a swing slash day trader, I'm definitely looking for 3 waves up. I'm looking for impulsive down to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. We're not at a Fibonacci level. We're not making any lower high. We're not making any higher lows, that is, or anything that would tell me that this trend is over on the higher time frames. So I definitely would continue to trade with the trend on the shorter time frames. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely has that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see pretty much at the end of every trend, which is why I think there is a pretty good chance that it is going to go up and break structure. And once it does break structure, I would put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and I would be observing it, and I would be waiting for 3 waves up. I'd be waiting for an A, a B, and a C. I'd be waiting for a Fibonacci bounce, a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, a break of structure. If I see all that, then I would definitely go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, if you are more of a scalper, then once you get that break of structure, you could definitely try to go long at the end of this wave B. And then if it does just keep on drifting up and eventually take out this high, you're going to be looking for longs anyways as a scalper. So that really will be like a bonus trade if it keeps going up. But for me, as more of a day trader slash swing trader, I'm definitely patiently waiting for 3 waves up. I'm waiting for impulsive down to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Just like what happened at the CPI dollar news, 1, 2, 3 waves up. That was an amazing entry to go short right there. And it was extremely clear that this was a 1, a 2, and a 3 wave pattern. And then big impulsive down for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.